Recording in progress. So good morning, everyone. So thank you for those of us who are joining us. So give me 2 minutes, we begin. So today we are going to have 2 sessions. And one of them will be covering the HSA certification and the portal. The other one will be about the display, normal training. So there's a document I shared with you guys yesterday from the various groups, and that's the document I shared is the training schedules for our February, and maybe just to talk about it a bit before we go to the other order of the day. So the training covers the whole of February in terms of the topics, the dates. So we felt that it's important for us to release this schedule so that if you guys feel that or need to make an arrangement for the same regarding your side, so that you know which training to attend, which training to participate in, it's okay. So based on the schedule that I released yesterday, you can use that schedule to be able to plan in advance. So with the training, you get to know which dates at our offices will be doing which training, whether it's Zoom, whether it's a Zoom meeting, or whether the training will occur in our offices. So like for the case of today, we are going to, after this training about the HSA certification website or the learning portal, we are going to have a training on the display products Dahua. That is from the time we finish. Then the other training will be about, in the afternoon, we'll having a practical training in our office. So from 2 to 4, we'll be doing the screens for advertisement. So if you are in the sales group or sales team, or maybe pre-sales or technical sales persons, so it's a good avenue for you can attend the training and be able to get more on our advertisement products that we offer as a company. So the training will be more of sales, but some of them will be about practical, that is the technical part of it, in terms of configuration, etc. And also, maybe something that you could have noticed from the list that I shared, there was specified dates, for example, date 7, 14, 21, and 28. So these dates, we have not set a specific time, a specific topic or a specific time for training. So if you as a company or an individual feel like there's a need for you to be able to, you feel there's something that you need to be trained about, you can contact us early enough. So you can reach out to me using the email that I provided, or you can get me on WhatsApp directly, so that we can book you on these dates. So you see, you have morning hours and afternoon hours, morning hours and afternoon hours. So that's just a clarification on the same. So also the timings that will be there is Nairobi time or East African time. Okay, so if you feel there's a question that you need to ask or maybe clarify, you can engage us directly here, or just send me a message in WhatsApp. I'll reply you. Okay, now we resume to what was bringing us today. So today I'll be talking about how to access our learning portal. That is the Dahua Technology e-learning website, so that for the cases of self-based learning, where you have to arrange yourself, no time to learn, and etc., you'll be able to get the materials and use the portal for learning and also for the certification purposes. So our certification for Dahua, which we have been doing training last year. So we have done quite a number of training for last year DHSA. And I think the group that was attending constantly, in the next 2 weeks, we're going to begin certification. That is setting the exam and issuing your certificates to you guys. However, those of us who are not fortunate enough to attend or maybe need to do more learning, I'm going to show you how to use our portal and be able to get to be able to learn at your own pace, get the materials, and also we talk a bit about exam, how to get the exams. Again, the certification is free. That is DHSA and DHSP VSS. I'm being told that my audio is a problem, but it's okay. So how do you access our e-learning portal? So you would go to dahuasecurity.com. That is the official website of the company. Go to a support side. After going to support side, there's a tab called training. So for the training, we have different training programs that we offer as a company. We have a certification program, that is the one that we are doing before. So certification in terms of DHSA, DHSP, any Dahua certified document. We have online course. So online course. So online courses in terms of learning online. That is the e-learning platform. We have classroom training. So classroom training is a training that you would come to our office and participate practically on the training, like like a normal classroom. Then we have in terms of just another business, we have certification verification. That is where a link for you to be able to verify the certificate that you're having is a valid certificate, knowing which time it expires, etc., etc. And also we have now the materials in terms of manuals and other products that need for you to support in able to use our products. So what I'm going to cover today is about the online course. That is the e-learning platform. So after going to the training side, that is the training link, you would go to the online course. So for you guys, those of us who have not signed up, so you need to have an account for the same. So what happens, it works like this: you create an account on your site, then we approve the account, update the necessary information in terms of which company you are from, confirm the names, etc. So that when you're having a certificate, you have a certificate that has your details correct. So what you do, you'd sign up. So is it a personal or a Dahua partner? So for you guys, I would recommend you to sign up as a personal. So as a personal, unless you're having a company. So if you do a Dahua partner, you'll have those problems like trying to get the PIN number, tax number, etc. But if it's an information that you have, you can register as a company. And if you're facing some problem, you can contact me for the same. So for a personal user, you would enter your names. So ensure you put your names correctly, put your email, and also other information like passwords. So it's just like basically creating a normal account for a normal e-learning platform. And also, so confirm the region is in Africa, and country also confirm for the country. So the reason as to why I'm saying this is the Kenyan company is handling the East African market, including Rwanda. So we have a different market of South Africa. So you need to confirm your region so that when I'm verifying your information from the system, I'll be able to verify you from our region. So I know you are the person from our region. So once you create an account, so there's an approval step that I'll do from my side. So there's an approval step that I'll do on my side. So there's an approval side that place that I'll need to verify your information. I confirm that your information is correct, etc., so that I approve you. So you might have created an account and you realize that you are not accessing the materials, etc. You're trying to log in, you're getting some errors. So it means that your accounts need to be approved. That is, your account needs to be made active so that you can be able to access the materials that for the e-learning. So once you have been approved, let me just show you an example of an account, how it look like. So once you have been approved, you'll be able to access something like this. Then you can go to online course. So for my case, I had created an account and be registered as an online learning. That is, I wanted to learn from the e-learning platform at my own pace. So I'll click to this online course. So this is an example of a verified account. So from the online course, the platform you would have is a platform like this. So this is what you'll be interacting with. So at first you'll see, of course, the Dahua logo. You have the option of searching the courses, the home tab button. So the home tab button will take you back to our page. And also we have the messages. So the messages tab is about information, direct communication from the admin. So that is from our side. So in case maybe you need there's an exam you need to participate in, you'd have communication from this side. Maybe you schedule an exam, you arrange with us, you need to do an exam for a certain time, you would get it in the messages tab. So I hope that is clear. So this one, the other one is about your profile. So maybe in case you made a mistake while doing a registration of your account, you have the option of updating your information. So you can update your information at this point here, maybe change your other information. So in terms of such kind of information, you can update that information from this side. Next, after this tab, we have the course list. So basically, the course list that will appear here means the course list that you as a person gets to access for free. And some of the courses that we provide as a company or certifications need to be paid for. In exception for the DHSA basic, we have DHSA VSS, that is the video surveillance system. That is free. We have a DHSP, professional video surveillance system, and we have intelligent building system. So for these courses, the DHSA basic is more of CCTV and NVR, DVR. VSS is more a bit advanced. So you go into the II configuration, etc. Intelligent building now is about access control video intercom products. So these courses are free, and you guys get to be able to learn as an individual. Also, you have the option of using. So, if for the courses, for the courses that appear in the list there, you have the option of adding the courses into your basket, meaning that you are making a study plan for the same, so that you add the course into your more like a basket. You are adding the course into the course list, so that you know for this case, let me just add this EHS to my list. Let me add another course like Introduction to CCTV System. So you'd see the list. So you'd go to learning courses. So at first, you go to the training, of course, English, and we have the training. So most of the time will appear here. Then you have the learning courses. So the learning courses will show you the list of the courses that you're undertaking. So it will show you the progress. So each time you learn, you try to complete, it will show you the progress. Just like any other e-learning platform. So that's from the course list. And we have other videos, including operation videos, how to configure some other functions. Basically, it's just an online library for the same. We also have French certification. So for those of us who need to do training certification, we have the version for Morocco. So this is a custom for such case. But for your case, I think we'll be handling more of the English version. Okay, so that's all in regard with the learning platform. Unless there's a question, maybe concern or any issue. So what I would want you guys is you do registration from you can do registration or registration to our e-learning platform from today, so that I can do approval next week on by next week on Wednesday. I want to do approvals for the company. So you can see at this point we have others that have not been approved. So that you'll be able to access these materials, I want you guys to register to the e-learning platform by Wednesday, so that I can approve them. So if you are a company and needs your guys to be the certificate to mention their company, etc., need to confirm the information. Also, for those of us who are ready maybe to do the exam, we are going to begin exam from date. Our first exam for this month will be from date 25. Sorry, from date 26. We'll be doing certification examination, or maybe from date 19 and 26. So 19, 26 we'll be doing examination. So if you feel like you already have done enough training for the HSA, you can check the materials here, confirm the documents you have, you know everything. Maybe you want to do all the exams, it's fine with you. We'll have the training organized. So sorry, we have the certification exam organized, which will occur on 19 and 26. That will be on a Saturday. So unless there's any other question regarding the certification and the e-learning platform, I think I'm done on my side, so that we can begin another training on the display products that we offer as a company. So any question you can, so you can unmute yourself. So you can ask the question, interact with us, ask question regarding that, any certification issue or the learning platform.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, Sheldon, this is Oliver from Crystal Tech.
Okay, Oliver.
Yeah, assuming that we're not partners, am I allowed to take the certifications?
Yes.
Training
Yes.
Certifications.
Yes. When registering as into the e-learning platform, you can register as a personal or a partner. So you can register as a person. Yes. Yes.
So thank you.
Like for this case, the account that I'm using here, this Shelton.Kipkoech is my Gmail that I registered as a personal email.
Okay.
Okay. just to confirm, just when registering, confirm about your company information, etc. So that when you're having the certificate, you have the information about your company listed on that certificate. It's good for tender application and such. Any other question regarding the certification or e-learning platform? So if not, if there's no question, what we're going to do is, I think we're going to have a break so that when we'll be back, we are going to do training on display products. So based on the schedule that I shared into the WhatsApp groups, I shared to you guys about our training schedules. So this is a training schedule that we'll be following. And today we are supposed to do display products. So when we come back, we begin another training at 10:45. We'll talk about display products that we offer as a company. We talk about our screens, our advertisements, etc. So if there's no other question, what you'll do, I'm going to end this meeting. So
yeah,
okay.
There is.
Yes.
Yeah, this is Edson from Uganda.
Yes. Yes.
I wanted to join that WhatsApp group. Can you share the WhatsApp contact?
Yes. Yes. You can. So I'm sending the message on my contact. So I'll add you to our group so that you'll be having information. So you can message me. I've sent the contact to as a message. Any other question? Because I think we're having groups of different countries: Uganda, Rwanda, Burundi, also Ethiopia. Yeah, quite some number of countries. So if there's no other question, what we do, I'm going to end the meeting. So for those of us who would feel like want to know about our display products that we have as a company, you can we'll begin another training at 10:45. So 10:45, you just use the link that I provided so that you can do training on display products that we offer. So we meet in exactly 20 minutes. We do the training on display. Okay.